If you're dealing with exterior door issues, here's how to tell if you actually need a full replacement or if a simple repair will be able to fix it, based on what we've seen here at CDF Doors every single day. A lot of people would assume the worst right away, and I don't blame them. Doors sticking, hardware failing, something looks off, and the first thought is, I need a whole new door. In many cases, that's actually not even necessary, and proper maintenance could have prevented the issue in the first place.
We see this play out every single day. There are definitely situations where a full replacement makes sense, but there are also a lot of common issues that are quick fixes if you catch them early. Most doors don't fail because of one big issue. They fail because small maintenance gets ignored over time. We've seen doors last for years with the proper upkeep, while others fail sooner than they should because those small things were not addressed.
Starting with the easy stuff, these are the issues you usually don't need a new door. Things like worn weather stripping, loose hinges, misalignment, or hardware problems like locks or closers. We also see doors that are sticking or not sealing properly, and a lot of times that just comes down to simple adjustments. This is where maintenance really pays off, because catching these early and replacing a small part can keep the entire door system working the way it should. In most cases, if the structure of the door is still solid, it's worth fixing, not replacing.
Then you got situations where it really just depends, and rust is a great example. If it's just surface rust, you can usually sand it down, refinish it, repaint it, and extend the life of the door. But here's the key. Maintenance buys you time, but it does not make the problem disappear. If rust keeps coming back or starts spreading, that's usually a sign of the door is heading towards replacement, and it's not a matter of if, but when. That's when you have to start thinking long-term and not just short-term.
And there are some red flags where replacements are necessary. Rust is a big one here, but specifically when it is eaten through the metal. Once rust penetrates a door, even in the smallest spot, the door is on borrowed time. At that point, the integrity is compromised, and repairs usually will not hold up. Same goes for major structural damage, warping, or anything that's affecting how the door fits and functions overall. When the structure is compromised, maintenance cannot fix it. It's time to replace.
It all comes down to knowing what you're looking at and staying ahead of the problems before they get worse. A well-maintained door can last a long time, but once certain issues cross that line, replacement just makes more sense. That's why working with an experienced team and using tools like ProBuilder at CDF Doors helps you make the right call early, whether it's a quick fix or a full replacement. And if you can make that call early, you save time, money, and a lot of frustration. If you want to get your exterior door decision right the first time, CDF Doors and our ProBuilder tool can help you do it right.